beautiful friends. I'm out here in my fairly new beds this year, and I got to do a little storm cleanup still. And I thought maybe Nikki and I could drive to Lowe's and maybe Menards and check and see if I can find a really good staple plant to go in this corner. I want something that's going to get fairly big that can handle some part shade. This is what I was looking for, you guys. 75% off. Perfect time to plant fall perennials. They still have time for their roots to get going. They don't have to worry about the flowers, and they can put all their energy into the roots, and you have a beautiful plant for next spring, and I'm so excited. So for my little area in the front, where in that corner, I want something that can work in somewhat shade. So I have two choices here. I have a double file viburnum called Popcorn. Needs 3 to 6 hours of direct sun, which I think it will get there. It'll get the 3, not the 6. It gets 8 to 10 feet tall. That's a little high, but I can keep it pruned back to maybe the 8 foot. And it's going to bloom in spring. It's going to have these beautiful white, almost incredible hydrangea looking flowers. Okay, and then the other choice could possibly be this Summer Sweet Ruby Spice. And I've never planted one of these. I have a couple viburnums, but I've never planted one of these. This gets 3 to 6 feet tall. 3 is a little on the shorter end. I sort of want something a little taller, and it will bloom late summer to autumn. So that would be really pretty. It has these pinky, spiky flowers on it. So pretty. We'll put it on the screen. You guys, I'm really excited about these. These are full sun. They're little devil 9-barks. I already have one, and I need this foliage color in beds in the backyard that are full sun. So I'm going to get these two. They're $30, 75% off, makes them $7.50. Woohoo! Okay, and this one is a Sambuca Black Tower. I just think it's so cool. It comes up into a tower form. So I'm going to tuck this in somewhere. It says it gets 6 to 8 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide. So that's an easy shrub to like tuck in a corner, or I don't know. I just think it's cool. This is a Pontatella. I've never heard of that. It's full sun, and it only gets 3 to 3.5 feet tall and wide. So I'm going to be able to stick this in there. So you guys, my budget today was going to be about $60 on one plant to go in my front garden. I'm going to be able to get all of these plants for around that price. Okay, and then the last one is a bottle brush Mount Airy, 5 to 8 feet tall. I got to think about this one. I don't have a lot of room in my sun area, so I might skip this one, but I'm excited for all these. Let's go home and plant them.
Look at this. If you want some bees,
You get
they
celosia.
like this. What's it called?
Celosia.
Man, they're loving this. They're
Look at that over there. Look over there.
Woo-wee. They're enjoying it.
Yeah, they are. Wow, I never knew that.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, well, we got a little sidetracked. We went and dropped off our plants at the cash register, and now we're walking through. Christmas is coming, everyone. We're loving all this Christmas stuff, but we have to stay focused right now on the pumpkins. But
Christmas will be here soon.
oh my goodness.
Show them what you're going to get, Nick.
I have to buy this little guy.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
I have to buy him. I don't know why I have a gingerbread thing. I love him. Gingerbread man. Oh, so cute. Like a winter wonderland here. I just bought pumpkins. and corn stalks, but now I'm getting sidetracked. I'm on overload, but I love Christmas stuff too. Oh, there's a big gingerbread man in the back.
I'm buying some spray paints. I'll tell you later why.
We
Trying
got
to decide.
sidetracked again.
Yeah, I think I'm going with the purple.
Okay.
Okay.
Yellow and purple it is.
Yellow and purple.
All right.
Come on, Mama, let's go get a taco.
All right, I'm in.
Okay, so I made it back home and I found the perfect plant to go on this spot right in the corner. So I ended up with this viburnum, and I love viburnums. This is a double file viburnum called Popcorn. It's going to need 3 to 6 hours of direct sun, and I'm praying that it'll get it here. Oh, I'm so excited. Look how pretty that is. So unfortunately, the coleus is just going to have to go. I just noticed a grub. Oh, we don't want that, guys. He's got to go. And what I wanted to explain to you guys was I did the no-till method, so I put cardboard right on my grass. Prior to doing that, this dirt was so hard to dig in. It was like rock solid, and you just saw me go through with a, sorry, that's Rosie in the background. Explain the no-till method a little bit better, but you can see, look how dark this dirt is and how nice. So what you do is you just put cardboard straight over your grass, and then I don't know how it does it, but it like makes the dirt below it so good. And you just saw me go through with the shovel pretty easily. So the no-till method really does work. Say hi, Steve. Okay, you guys, so Steve came out and dug a hole for me, and this is where the Summer Sweet Ruby Spice shrub made it. And I think it's going to be beautiful with its pink little spikies. Okay, this is where the little devil 9-bark made it. And I have one of these already and I love it. It gets little pink, white and pink flowers on it. And it's shaped a little weird. That's okay, I'm shaped a little weird. But it's here in my front yard. The very last plant for this video is the other 9-bark. And it made it here right behind a knockout rose. And this is in my front garden bed. This is the clematis. And down the line are my hydrangea, my light hydrangeas. All right, guys, I want to show you a really quick trick that I do. My mums do not make it. I will be honest. I didn't water this mum as probably good as I should have, but I have a trick. I got spray paint. I put a little bag, and I just kind of go in where the yellow would be. So I'm going in where the flowers would be, and we're just gonna spray. It's gonna save me from having to replace this mum when I only have a couple more weeks that I want this mum to be out here. And then for Christmas, I will spray them red. I did it last year, did it the year before, so stay tuned so you can see some Christmas stuff too. Now you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us today, and go find your passion. I'm out here watering, as I often do in the evening, and I just was looking at my neighbor's pumpkins. I'm going to walk over and show you how cute they are.